Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami cloud. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half and then unfold. Fold the top and bottom points along the crease you just made. Fold down the top left edge to align with the horizontal crease. Then fold the paper diagonally along these creases here. Then fold each corner of the paper a little towards the center to give it a smoother line and look rounder. Then continue to make it rounder. Doing like this. There you have your own origami cloud. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.